Realme GT 7 Pro review. Hello friends. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Realme GT 7 Pro, a device that has caught everyone's attention in the tech world with its high performance and innovative features. This phone is not only a powerful smartphone, but it's also an adventure buddy with its underwater mode. Let's dive into the impressive features that this device has to offer. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you, my friend, that creating these videos takes hours of work, but subscribing to the channel and liking the video only takes 2 seconds. So, don't forget to subscribe and support me and my team. Remember, you're the motivation behind all this. With your support, I'll continue to find the latest tech products and create videos for you. Now, let's jump into the detailed review of the product, design and durability. The Realme GT 7 Pro has a sleek and durable design. With dimensions of 162.5 by 76.9 by 8.6 mm and weighing 223 grams, this phone stands out with both its premium feel and solid build. The front is made of glass, and the frame is aluminium, offering an IP68 IP69 rating, which means it's water resistant up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. This shows Realme's commitment to quality display, an incredible visual experience. Let's talk about the screen. The 6.78-inch LTPO OLED display supports 1 billion colors and offers HDR10+ and Dolby Vision technologies for a stunning visual experience. The screen also boasts a 120Hz refresh rate for a smooth user experience. With a peak brightness of 6000 nits and 2000 nits, HPM, the display is perfect for outdoor use, even in direct sunlight. The resolution is 1264 by 2780 pixels, providing sharp and clear images with a 450p pixel density. Reminder, with your support, I'm able to produce more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Performance, powerful and fast. At the heart of the Realme GT 7 Pro is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This 3nm processor consists of 2x4.32 GHz Oryon V2 Phoenix L cores and 6x3.53 GHz Oryon V2 Phoenix M cores, offering powerful performance. The Adreno 830 GPU ensures top-notch performance in both gaming and heavy graphic applications. With multiple storage and RAM options, including 256GB/12GB RAM, 256GB/16GB RAM, 512GB/12GB RAM, 512GB/16GB RAM, and 1TB/16GB RAM, the phone gives you plenty of room to choose from. Plus, with UFS 4.0 technology, you get fast data transfer speeds. Reminder, your support gives me strength. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Camera, photography and video performance. The Realme GT 7 Pro's camera system will satisfy both photography enthusiasts and content creators. The main camera is 50MP with an f/1.8 aperture and OIS, ensuring sharp shots both day and night. The telephoto lens is also 50MP, with a 3x optical zoom and OIS support, allowing you to capture distant details clearly. The ultra-wide lens has an 8MP resolution with a 112 degrees field of view, making it perfect for group photos and landscape shots. On the front, there's a 16MP camera for selfies. In terms of video performance, the rear camera can shoot in 8K at 24fps and 4K at 60fps, and thanks to gyro ICE, you can capture smooth, shake-free footage. Battery and charging. The 6500 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use, easily lasting a full day with normal usage. Plus, with 120 watts fast charging, you can power up your device in just a few minutes. Reminder, your support means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Connectivity and extra features. When it comes to connectivity, the Realme GT 7 Pro has all the latest technologies. With 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an infrared port. The connectivity options are extensive. Additionally, the under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and stereo speakers enhance the overall user experience. Remember, I feel stronger with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Conclusion. The Realme GT 7 Pro is one of the most ambitious flagship phones of the year, with powerful performance and impressive features like a stunning display, excellent camera system, long-lasting battery, and durable design. If you're looking for a high-performance, durable phone, the Realme GT 7 Pro should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for watching. On behalf of the Theme Westpa team, we appreciate your support. If you liked this review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. My friend, as long as you continue to support me, I will keep finding the latest tech products, reviewing them, and creating videos for you. Your thoughts are very important to me, so feel free to share your opinions in the comments. I would be very happy to hear from you. See you in the next videos. Take care.